Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm going to discuss the 5 things that you, an owner of an R53, should keep in the boot of your R53. 5 things that, to be fair, and I'm going to say this, I'm going to put my foot down, should be non-negotiable. Make sure they're in your boot. Make sure. Obviously, if I miss anything in this video, then comment below, go, wait, maybe it should have been 6 things, or 8, or maybe even 20. But make sure that the suggestions you make are sensible for other people in the R53 Mini community. And in all honesty, this isn't just for R53 owners either. Any first gen BMW Mini, and probably any second gen BMW Mini, quite possibly any third gen BMW Mini. So, what are they? What 5 things? Well, let's take a little wander around the back of the car and have a look. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Yep, you can ignore that. I have. It's pretty much useless. The pictures don't tell you anything. So, first thing, the first of the 5 things that you have to have in your boot. It's a combination, to be honest. You want gloves. You want different types of gloves to keep your hands clean, stop yourself from stabbing yourself up should you have to work on the engine. So, got some nice nitro gloves there, got some nice fabric-y ones there. Yeah, kitchen roll. And funnels. Doesn't matter what type of funnel, I prefer these funnels, but these work just as well. And it's retractable, look. Oh, retractable funnel. I mean, this could keep you amused for at least 3 seconds. So that's one. The first thing you need is essentially safety equipment, or equipment to make things easier. So funnels, kitchen roll, and gloves. That's, I know it's 3 or maybe even 4 if you count the retractable funnel as separate from the funnel, but that's what I'm calling the first thing. Things to help you do the things that you may need to do. Second, now this is probably the most important thing, especially for an R53 owner, oil. Make sure you've got oil, because these cars like to eat oil, and from what I've noticed, the further you modify them, the more oil hungry they get. And yeah, this one likes oil, so always carry oil. Third, screen wash. Now I've got a berry scented screen wash. I also have headlight washes, so I go for a lot of windscreen wash if the lights are on. And yeah, always have this available. Screen wash, you don't have to go for Halfords, but it's cheap and it smells of berry apparently. Now we come to the proper tools. So 4th, non-negotiable, always have a socket set, always. Now, you might see that there's a long extension 8mm missing. That's because I was trying to do something and I lost it. It fell through the engine bay, and then I heard it come out when I was doing about 20 miles an hour down the road. So it's not in there, no damage has been done, I've just lost it. But you want your socket set, you need a socket set, always carry a socket set. And last, but by no means least, and potentially the most versatile of tools that you should carry in your boot at all times, an OK screwdriver set. So I've got a lot of options. You've got the most important option for any first gen BMW Mini owner, the torque screwdriver options, which are these. It seems that nearly everything within either the engine bay that isn't a socket or within the car itself needs a torque screw of different sizes. So having that available, definitely needed. So, screwdriver set, good. Socket set, good. Screen wash, good. Oil, definitely good, incredibly important. Don't let me down, guys, always carry oil. And then this sort of stuff, yeah, this sort of stuff, gloves and this. So this is just one, because otherwise it would have been 7, and that's silly. So this is just one. So gloves, funnels, kitchen roll, because you're going to need kitchen roll to check your oil. What are you going to wipe it on? Your jeans? Are you disgusting? Are you dirty? No, although you might be. To be fair, I probably wipe my hands on my jeans quite regularly. so they're probably pretty filthy. That's it, the 5 things you should always carry in the boot of your first gen BMW Mini, especially if it's an R53, which this is. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, like, comment, give me a socially distant high five in the future if I ever meet you, which I probably won't. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you. Well done for that.